Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you was sent over by RENPHO, and it is the Soul Heal Slim massage pad, if you will. So this is absolutely great if you're wanting to work those joints on the bottom of your feet, but you don't want to be confined into like the foot massagers that you slide your feet in. So once you open this up, naturally you're going to get a user manual. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's really easy. We're going to go over all the features right here in the video. You're also going to get a quick start guide, so in case you don't want to read the manual. But here is the massager itself. So as you can see, it's very nice and attractive looking. It just plugs in, just so go ahead and just, it has a nice long cable cord on it, so you don't have to be right next to an outlet. On the back side, it does have some rubber feet here to keep it from sliding around. It also does have a little kickstand if you want to have it a slight angle facing you if you're, for example, sitting at the couch watching a movie or whatnot. But as you can see, it has a nice little mesh fabric on here, and then just this black kind of shell around it. On the bottom, you're going to have a little push button that is going to basically change the intensity levels. You're going to have two intensity levels, slow and fast. And then at the top, you're going to have a toggle switch. That is simply just going to change the directions on you. Now, in between, once you plug it in, you're going to notice it's going to have a little white light, because as soon as you plug this in, it is active and ready to go. But it is pressure sensitive, so it's not going to turn on until it knows you have pressure on it with your feet. As soon as it gets that pressure, it's going to turn on and start activating and rotating. Now, this thing also does have heat built into it, so it can get up to approximately about 131 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great. Now, it's gonna have on either side, it's got 3 different nodes. So you have 6 nodes total, and then each node has different types of kind of bumps, if you will. So you have kind of a medium-sized bumps here at the top. In the arch of your foot, you're gonna have the bigger bumps so it can work that arch. And then down here, kind of on the pad of your foot by your toes, you're gonna have, once again, smaller bumps as far as the massaging. Now, to give you an idea of the overall size of this thing, it's about 12 inches wide, it's about 13.5 inches in depth, and about 3 inches off the ground when you have the kickstand up. It's about maybe 2.5 when you have the kickstand down. But one of the nice things, like I said, I always use this for my feet, so you can easily stand on it to activate it. However, you can also rest your calves on it, your legs on it, or you can even put it on the back of your seat and lean it back if you want it to do your lower back. But I find it perfect for your feet. So overall, if you are looking for a great massage pad, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do tip to respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.